So today we are going to install microk8s on Linux. I'm using Ubuntu 22. I'm going to refer official documentation of microk8s. So I have searched microk8s install in Google. I have got this result. I'm opening this thing in new tab. Okay. So here we have various steps for installing microk8s. You need a snap package already installed. By default, it already came with Ubuntu, so we don't need it. So I'm directly hitting this command sudo snap install microk8s -- classic -- channel 1.28. Okay, microk8s has been installed successfully. Let's come to the next point. Steps to join the group. Okay, so we need this .cube directory in home directory of the user. So let's check we have or not. Let me clear the screen. Okay, we don't have that directory, so I'm making one. Let me check once again. Here we have. So I'm going to hit both commands. I'm copying this and pasting in my terminal. Okay, step 2 done. Okay, you will also need to re-enter the session for the group update to take place. Okay, no worries. Sudo that command, it's done. Now check the status of microk8s. Copy this command. Okay, microk8s is in running state. Okay, microk8s in the running state. Now to access the Kubernetes, to access the fourth step, we need going to run next command, that is kubectl get nodes. We are using microk8s, thus we are going to use microk8s before kubectl. Okay, it's ready already. Okay, fine. How many pods we have? Let's have a look. We have one namespace cube hyphen system. Okay, in that calico node core DNS calico cube pods, all are running state, all are in running state. So to add a long command, we are going to use alias. So let me set for helm and for kubectl. Let's make a new file, touch, and this file name. Then I'm opening in editor, pasting this thing. So whenever I enter kubectl, it will going to trigger this microk8s kubectl. Now adding another one for helm. By default Helm comes with microk8s, so we don't need any additional configuration for the Helm. So here I'm going to type microk8s helm3 for the Helm. Let me save this file. Now again reloading this file. Source, that file location, enter, is done. Let's check kubectl get pods. Okay, no resources found in default namespace. If I'm going to check in all namespace, okay, we got this output. Now check for Helm. Okay, this command working as well. No issues. Let me clear my screen. Now by default we need two other things, that is DNS and host path storage. Let me paste. This command will enable DNS module and and host path storage module. Let's have a look. kubectl get all in all namespace happen a. Okay, coordinates is in running state and host path storage as well. So this is done. Okay, thank you. Bye.